Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation 8 times x squared plus x minus 1. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the solutions for this equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. In step 1, we first need to identify the quadratic equation we are working with, which is 8x squared plus x minus 1. Our goal is to factor this expression. To begin, we look for two numbers that, when multiplied, give us the product of the coefficient of x squared and the constant term. In this case, multiply 8 by minus 1, which equals minus 8. Next, we need to find two numbers whose product is minus 8 and whose sum is the coefficient of the linear term, which is 1. After careful consideration, we realize that these two numbers are 4 and minus 2. Since 4 times minus 2 equals minus 8 and 4 plus minus 2 equals 1. So, we rewrite the middle term, x, using these two numbers. This transforms the original expression 8x squared plus x minus 1 into 8x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 1. Setting the stage for the grouping method in the next step. In step 2, we use the grouping method to factor the expression. We now have 8x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 1. We can group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. This gives us 8x squared plus 4x and minus 2x minus 1. Next, we factor out the greatest common factor from each group. From the first group, we factor out 4x, which gives us 4x multiplied by 2x plus 1. From the second group, we factor out minus 1, which gives us minus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Notice that 2x plus 1 is a common factor in both groups. Now, we factor out 2x plus 1 from the entire expression. This leaves us with 2x plus 1 multiplied by 4x minus 1. Therefore, 8x squared plus x minus 1 factors to 2x plus 1 multiplied by 4x minus 1. This is the final step, and the problem is now solved. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.